I met a man one day who changed my life forever. First sight and he said he loved me so. Then he asked me if we could be together. I just met him, so I told him, brother, hell no. I watched him fight through the pain that he struggled. The tears he shed, I just didn't understand. And the way it seemed he felt left me puzzled. The feelings of a man. So tell me, what is love that it should if you're feeling then? And what's a man that the Lord should remind of him? Tell me, what's a friend that he should show his love and care? And what's a loved one that you'll always need him there? Baby, if he loves you, why not let him do it? And if he really means it, okay, watch him prove it. And just know that love's not a feeling, love's a decision. Love is bringing a buried emotion. Love is creating and stabbing your own wound. Love is forgiving and love without for you. What is love? What is love? Ooh, what is love? What is love? What is love? Now first of all, you ain't getting a nasty. Secondly, you're about to lose me. I'll be as stern as I can and get you gone, so please excuse me. What is love? It's popped in a baby. What's the plan? Can you tell me plainly that you play your best? No, I am not a game, so you can't play me. It's a light. Let's go, girl. Hold it, stop. Then I give in because I'm not just quizzing you, so you know you are cold and you're not hot. The looks you lend ain't worth the cent, and your money can pay my rent. Whether I'm rich, no more, or broke on the bench, cause I'm a high class queen of the world's best version of my time. You ain't the only one not getting past. You think you master of the skies, man? I see right through your eyes. If you ain't real legit, go ahead and step aside. Everybody walking around talking love at first sight. So tell me what goes down if the person ain't right. Then you live life or you think you might die. In relationship you can discuss, but you can't fight. Cause a love a man leads and a lady gotta follow. I don't really need a king, but I need the right model. The hero, defeating every battle. Who walk without a fear, no one doubt through hell shadow. But on the flip side, many need the right bride. So I gotta work until it's hurting and it's alright. Everything I got's tight, they roll through the night. Leave the world staring at a woman that is out of sight. But still, what is love? Till it blessed from above. Is a kiss in the night, twilight, tight hug. Yo man, I gotta go and research for your own. 70% of my relationships is now broke. Don't stop, keep hope, move fast, not slow. But when you get some answers, call me up and let me know. What is love? What is love?